Assessing the Yulan, unveiling key innovations in amphibious assault ship design. Introduction. On December 27, 2024, China launched its first Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship, the Sichuan, marking a remarkable advancement in its naval capabilities and military modernization. The unveiling ceremony held at the Hudong shipyard in Shanghai celebrated the introduction of a vessel that signifies China's growing maritime power and ambition to project military strength beyond its shores. This report delves into the innovative features of the Sichuan, the context of its development, and the implications of its launch on regional and global military dynamics. Key innovations and features of the Sichuan. 1. Electromagnetic catapult. One of the standout features of the Sichuan is its state-of-the-art electromagnetic catapult system, a technology previously demonstrated on China's aircraft carrier, the Fujian. This catapult allows the ship to launch heavier fixed-wing aircraft, including fighter jets and drones, efficiently and rapidly. This capability is significant as it enhances the ship's operational versatility, enabling it to conduct various missions from air support to troop deployment. 2. Dual-island superstructure. The Sichuan's design incorporates a dual-island superstructure which optimizes navigation and flight operations. This architectural innovation distinguishes it from traditional amphibious assault ships, improving situational awareness and command and control functions during complex operations. The dual-island design allows for more effective coordination of air operations and enhances the ship's overall functionality. 3. Operational capabilities. With a displacement of approximately 40,000 tons, the Sichuan is categorized as a hybrid vessel, bridging the gap between an amphibious assault ship and a light aircraft carrier. Its primary purpose is to provide air support for ground forces while facilitating the deployment of military personnel and equipment in various operational scenarios. This capability is particularly crucial for China's military strategy, which emphasizes rapid response and operational reach in the Asia-Pacific region. Context and strategic implications. The launch of the Sichuan is a pivotal event in China's broader military modernization efforts. Currently, the People's Liberation Army Navy plan is the largest in the world by hull count, boasting over 370 ships and submarines. The introduction of the Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship represents a significant leap in China's capabilities, allowing it to project power further from its shores and increase its influence in contested waters. Regional tensions and military expansion. The Sichuan's capabilities come at a time of escalating regional tensions, particularly in the South China Sea and surrounding areas, as China continues to assert its claims over contested territories. The development of advanced military assets like the Sichuan raises concerns among neighboring countries and the United States. The ship's ability to launch aircraft and support ground operations enhances China's amphibious capabilities, potentially shifting the balance of power in the region. Global military dynamics. The international community is closely monitoring China's naval expansion, particularly the strategic implications of the Sichuan's launch. Analysts suggest that this vessel will play a crucial role in China's ability to conduct expeditionary operations and respond to regional crises. The enhanced capabilities offered by the Sichuan could challenge U.S. naval dominance in the Asia-Pacific, prompting discussions about military preparedness and alliances among affected nations. Timeline of events. December 27, 2024. The Sichuan is officially launched, marking China's largest combat ship to date. Preceding developments: the electromagnetic catapult technology was first demonstrated on the Fujian aircraft carrier, indicating a path of technological advancement within the Chinese Navy. Strategic goals: the ongoing modernization efforts of the plan are aimed at ensuring China can operate effectively in a global context, reflecting its aspirations for regional and international influence. Common themes across sources. Various reports emphasize similar themes regarding the significance of the Sichuan's launch. Military expansion. The launch is seen as a crucial step in enhancing China's naval capabilities and its intention to bolster military presence in the region. Technological advancements. There is a consensus on the importance of the electromagnetic catapult and dual-island design, which collectively improve the ship's operational flexibility. International concerns. The potential ramifications for regional and global power dynamics are consistently highlighted, with particular focus on how these advancements could affect U.S. naval operations and alliances. Differences in reporting. While the majority of sources agree on the ship's capabilities and significance, some reports emphasize different aspects. For instance, some focus on the technological innovations, providing detailed specifications and operational functions, while others delve deeper into the geopolitical ramifications of the launch, discussing its impact on U.S.-China relations and regional security. Conclusion. The launch of the Sichuan represents a pivotal advancement in amphibious assault ship design, showcasing China's commitment to enhancing its military capabilities and projecting power on a global scale. The integration of cutting-edge technology such as the electromagnetic catapult and dual-island superstructure underscores the evolving dynamics of naval warfare and international relations in the Asia-Pacific region. As China continues to modernize its navy, the implications of the Sichuan's capabilities will undoubtedly resonate throughout regional and global military landscapes, prompting responses from other nations and shaping future strategic considerations. References. 1. Paragon. 2024, China launches first Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship. Retrieved from Paragon News www.paragon.io/news/world/2024/12/27/ China launches next generation amphibious assault ship. 2. Center for Strategic and International Studies SIZE. 2024, China's massive next generation amphibious assault ship takes shape. Retrieved from Size Analysis www.size.org/analysis/ China's massive next generation amphibious assault ship takes shape. The launch of China's Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship, the Sichuan, reveals several counterintuitive aspects regarding naval power dynamics and military advancements. Here are some key points that highlight these counterintuitive insights. 1. Hybrid role of the ship. While the Sichuan is primarily classified as an amphibious assault ship, its design blurs the lines between traditional amphibious capabilities and those of a light aircraft carrier. This duality challenges conventional categorizations of naval vessels, suggesting that modern naval warfare increasingly requires ships that can fulfill multiple roles simultaneously rather than strict adherence to historical classifications. 2. Electromagnetic catapult innovation. The introduction of an electromagnetic catapult on the Sichuan is notable not just for its technological sophistication but also because it signifies a shift in how naval forces can project air power. Traditionally, catapult systems have been associated with larger aircraft carriers. By incorporating this technology into an amphibious assault ship, China demonstrates that even smaller vessels can launch heavier aircraft, thus expanding their operational versatility and effectiveness. This counters the expectation that only larger ships would be equipped with such advanced technology. 3. Strategic implications of size. The Sichuan's displacement of 40,000 tons positions it as one of the largest amphibious assault ships globally. This fact might be surprising given that amphibious assault ships are typically smaller than dedicated aircraft carriers. The size of the Sichuan not only increases its carrying capacity but also its survivability and operational range. This redefines the strategic calculus of naval engagements, suggesting that nations may need to reconsider their assumptions about ship size and capability in modern conflicts. For regional power projection, while many analysts focus on China's ambitions to project power far from its shores, the Sichuan also represents a shift in the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The ship's capabilities may allow China to exert influence over maritime territories and conduct operations previously limited to larger, more expensive fleets. This challenges the prevailing notion that only nations with large fleets can dominate regional waters, as innovative ship design can enable effective power projection even with fewer resources. 5. Perception of threat levels. The international concerns regarding the launch of the Sichuan often center around escalating tensions in the Asia-Pacific. However, the presence of such a ship could also be interpreted as China's effort to stabilize its regional influence rather than solely as an aggressive military expansion. This complexity suggests that the motivations behind military advancements are not always aligned with traditional perceptions of threat and aggression. 6. Technological continuity and adaptation. The Sichuan's use of technology previously demonstrated on the Fujian aircraft carrier shows a continuity in technological development within the Chinese Navy. This points to an adaptive approach in military innovation where lessons learned from one class of ship are rapidly integrated into new designs, challenging the notion that significant technological advancements require entirely new systems or concepts. 7. Global naval dynamics. The Sichuan's capabilities may lead to a re-evaluation of U.S. naval strategies, particularly in light of decreasing commitments to amphibious and expeditionary missions. The expectation that U.S. naval superiority will remain unchallenged might not hold true as other nations develop advanced platforms that can compete in specific operational domains. This situation presents a counterintuitive shift in how global naval power is perceived and operationalized. In conclusion, the launch of the Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship Sichuan not only showcases China's advancements in naval technology but also prompts a rethinking of established military paradigms and strategic assumptions. The integration of capabilities traditionally reserved for larger vessels into a hybrid design raises critical questions about the future of naval warfare and the evolving nature of international maritime relations. The launch of China's Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship the Sichuan is a significant development in military naval capabilities that merits attention beyond its surface-level implications. While the focus often lies on the ship's advanced technologies and military strategic implications, there are several nuanced elements that many observers might overlook. Key innovations in amphibious assault ship design. 1. Electromagnetic catapult technology. The Sichuan features an electromagnetic catapult, a technology critical for enhancing the ship's operational capabilities. Unlike traditional steam catapults, electromagnetic systems offer more precise control and can launch a wider variety of aircraft, including heavier payloads. This capability is significant not just for enhancing military offensives but also for logistical operations, enabling the rapid deployment of supplies and personnel in dynamic combat situations. The integration of this technology suggests a shift in naval warfare where rapid deployment and flexibility can be decisive factors. 2. Dual island superstructure. The ship's dual island design is particularly innovative, optimizing operational command and control. This design allows for improved situational awareness as one island can be dedicated to commanding air operations while the other focuses on maritime navigation. This separation minimizes potential conflicts in command and enhances overall operational efficiency. Many reports may gloss over this feature, but its significance lies in the implications for multi-domain operations, where seamless integration of air and naval forces can lead to superior combat effectiveness. 3. Hybrid role. The Sichuan straddles the line between an amphibious assault ship and a light aircraft carrier. This hybrid capability allows it to perform a range of operations from conducting amphibious landings to providing air support in conflicts. The versatility of the Yulan class could lead to new tactical doctrines within the Chinese military, emphasizing the need for agile and adaptable forces capable of responding to various scenarios. This evolution in operational doctrine is often underappreciated in discussions focused on conventional military assets. Operational capabilities and strategic context. The operational capabilities of the Sichuan extend well beyond mere military might. Its ability to provide air support during ground operations enhances China's capacity to conduct joint military operations. which is essential for modern warfare. The implications of this capability also extend to humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions where rapid air deployment can be critical in response to emergencies. Broader geopolitical implications. 1. Shift in regional power dynamics. The launch of the Sichuan could signal a shift in the regional balance of power, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. As China extends its operational reach, neighboring countries and global powers, particularly the United States, may need to reassess their military strategies. The ship's capabilities may enhance China's deterrence posture, complicating U.S. military planning and alliances in the region. 2. Impact on U.S. naval strategy. The introduction of advanced technologies like the electromagnetic catapult poses a challenge to the U.S. Navy, which has traditionally dominated naval power projection. The U.S. may need to invest in countermeasures or analogous technologies to maintain its strategic advantage. This competition could spur a new arms race in naval capabilities, which is often overlooked when discussing the implications of China's military advancements. 3. Potential for increased tensions. The Sichuan's capabilities could exacerbate existing territorial disputes in the South China Sea and beyond. As China's amphibious capabilities improve, its assertiveness in these contested waters may increase, leading to heightened tensions with other regional players. The regional ramifications of this development are critical, as they could impact not only military engagements but also diplomatic relations and economic interactions. Technological continuity and future developments. The technological advancements showcased by the Sichuan, particularly its reliance on the electromagnetic catapult system first demonstrated on the Fujian, underscore a continuity in China's naval modernization efforts. This technological lineage is significant because it reflects a systematic approach to military innovation, suggesting that future vessels will likely incorporate and build upon these advancements. Observers may focus on the immediate capabilities of the Sichuan while overlooking the broader trajectory of technological development within the Chinese Navy. Conclusion. The launch of the Sichuan is a pivotal moment in naval warfare, reflecting not only advancements in amphibious assault ship design but also broader trends in military strategy and geopolitics. The ship's features like the electromagnetic catapult and dual-island superstructure highlight significant innovations that could redefine operational effectiveness. Moreover, the implications for regional stability and U.S. military strategy are profound, warranting close scrutiny and analysis. As China continues to modernize its navy, understanding these nuanced aspects will be crucial for comprehending the future landscape of global naval power dynamics. 1. Electromagnetic catapult technology. The incorporation of an electromagnetic catapult system in the Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship, particularly in the Sichuan, represents a significant leap in naval technology. This innovation allows for the efficient launch of heavier aircraft, including fighter jets and drones, enhancing the ship's operational capabilities. The technology was previously demonstrated on the Chinese carrier Fujian, indicating a trend of technological advancement in the Chinese Navy. The ability to launch and recover aircraft effectively positions the Sichuan as a hybrid vessel capable of supporting various military operations, thereby expanding China's reach and versatility in maritime combat. 2. Dual-island superstructure design. The dual-island design of the Sichuan sets it apart from traditional amphibious assault ships, improving navigation and flight operations. This distinctive feature allows for better management of flight decks and enhances the overall operational efficiency of the vessel. The architectural innovation not only aids in the launch and recovery processes but also contributes to the ship's overall stability and maneuverability, making it a formidable asset in naval warfare. This design reflects a shift towards more advanced and specialized naval architecture aimed at maximizing operational effectiveness in complex maritime environments. 3. Strategic military implications. The launch of the Sichuan is a crucial part of China's broader military modernization strategy, which aims to enhance its naval capabilities and project power beyond its immediate coastal waters. With over 370 ships and submarines, China boasts the largest navy in the world by hull count. And the introduction of the Yulan-Class Amphibious assault ship signifies a shift towards more capable and versatile maritime forces. This development raises concerns among regional powers and the United States, as it could alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The enhanced amphibious capabilities allow China to conduct more complex military operations, potentially impacting U.S. naval operations and strategic postures in contested areas. For international reactions and geopolitical concerns, the unveiling of the Sichuan has elicited significant international attention and concern, particularly from the United States and its allies. The launch is perceived as a direct challenge to U.S. naval dominance in the Pacific and reflects China's ambitions to expand its military influence globally. As China continues to modernize its navy, the implications for regional security dynamics are profound, potentially leading to an arms race or increased military tensions in the Asia-Pacific region. The integration of advanced technology and strategic intent in the Yulan-class design underscores the evolving landscape of naval warfare, warranting close scrutiny by international observers and policymakers. 1. The USS Wasp LHD-1 amphibious assault ship. Commissioned in 1989, the USS Wasp is a key component of the United States Navy's amphibious warfare capabilities. This ship was one of the first to utilize the flat-top design, allowing it to launch and recover helicopters and other aircraft, including the AV-8B Harrier. Its design innovations and operational capabilities have significantly influenced modern amphibious assault ship development, setting a standard for versatility and multi-role functionality. 2. HMS Ocean L-12. Launched in 1995, HMS Ocean served as the Royal Navy's largest ship and a helicopter carrier, showcasing the UK's commitment to amphibious operations. Its design featured a flight deck capable of supporting multiple types of aircraft, and it played a pivotal role in various humanitarian and military operations, including the 2011 Libyan civil war. The ship's ability to launch and support ground forces reinforced the strategic importance of amphibious capabilities in modern warfare. 3. Mistral-class amphibious assault ships. Developed by France, the Mistral-class ships such as the FS Mistral L-9013 are notable for their capability to transport troops, vehicles and helicopters. Commissioned in the early 2000s, these ships incorporate advanced design features for vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, enhancing their role in rapid deployment scenarios. The Mistral class has influenced amphibious warfare strategies in various navies around the world, highlighting the growing importance of mobile and versatile amphibious forces in contemporary military operations. The future outlook for amphibious assault ships and naval power projection. Particularly regarding China's Yulan-class amphibious assault ship, the Sichuan presents a complex landscape influenced by technological advancements, geopolitical dynamics and strategic military planning. Technological innovations. The Yulan-class, with its advanced features such as the electromagnetic catapult and dual-island superstructure, signifies a shift in naval design philosophy that prioritizes versatility and operational efficiency. The integration of an electromagnetic catapult allows for the launch of heavier aircraft, enhancing the ship's capabilities as both an amphibious assault vessel and a light aircraft carrier. This trend towards hybridization in naval vessels is likely to continue, with future ships incorporating advanced technologies like AI for enhanced decision-making in combat scenarios, autonomous drones for reconnaissance and strike missions, and improved stealth features to reduce detection risks. Strategic military planning. China's increasing investment in naval capabilities aligns with its broader military modernization goals. The Sichuan's launch is indicative of a strategic emphasis on expanding operational reach beyond East Asia, potentially altering regional power dynamics. In the coming years, we can expect China to continue enhancing its amphibious assault capabilities, possibly leading to the development of additional classes of ships that further integrate advanced technologies and operational strategies. The emphasis on power projection suggests that future Chinese amphibious assault ships may be equipped for a wider array of missions, including humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, and rapid response to regional conflicts. This diversification of capabilities is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in a rapidly changing global security environment. Geopolitical implications. The introduction of the Yulan-class is likely to heighten geopolitical tensions, particularly with the United States and its allies in the Asia-Pacific region. As China seeks to assert its influence, nations such as the US, Japan, and Australia may respond by bolstering their own naval capabilities or enhancing alliances and partnerships to counterbalance China's growing military presence. The balance of naval power in contested waters, particularly in the South China Sea, will be influenced by the operational deployment of ships like the Sichuan. The increased capability for amphibious operations may embolden China to engage more assertively in territorial disputes, potentially leading to confrontations with other regional powers. Future trends in naval warfare. As naval warfare evolves, the role of amphibious assault ships will likely expand. The ability to rapidly deploy air and ground forces will be crucial in scenarios involving hybrid warfare, where traditional military tactics blend with unconventional strategies. The future of naval conflict may see a greater emphasis on joint operations involving air, land, and sea forces, necessitating the continued evolution of ships like the Yulan-class. Moreover, advancements in cyber warfare and electronic warfare will play a significant role in future naval engagements. The ability to disrupt enemy communications and navigation systems could become a decisive factor in the effectiveness of amphibious operations, prompting nations to invest in countermeasures and resilience strategies for their fleets. Conclusion. In summary, the future outlook for amphibious assault ship design and naval power reflects a convergence of technological innovation, strategic military planning, and geopolitical dynamics. The Yulan-class amphibious assault ship represents a significant leap in China's naval capabilities, signaling a shift towards more versatile and capable maritime forces. As nations respond to these developments, the landscape of naval warfare will continue to evolve, with implications for regional stability and global security. The next decade will likely witness intensified competition in naval power projection, with advancements in technology and strategic doctrine shaping the future of amphibious operations and international relations.